Hey man, you see Wes? We're supposed to be here, man. Where's he at?
I think he's at the Ferris wheel.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey man, long time no see, dude.
Hey!
Where you been?
I thought you was at the Ferris wheel.
Awesome, dude.
Oh man, where you been? You at the Ferris wheel, man?
No, I just got back from the bank. They gave
Why didn't you take me to the Ferris wheel?
What are you talking about, man? I'm starting to freak out. Dude, man, what you talking about?
I just got back from the bank. Forgive me, for goodness sakes.
Okay, I guess I forgive you one more time.
Sheesh. You guys are a bunch of idiots. I'm not gonna live here much longer.
Hey man, nobody told you to stay here. What are you talking about, fool? What are you going back talking about that?
Wait a minute.
Huh?
You borrowed my Sister Mother Down CD, and I'm really mad right now because you haven't given it back
You
yet.
guys is gonna have to quit it, cause I'm gonna lick you.
Hey man, you better get on back, cause I don't even like no system of the damn, man.
I don't care what you
Stand
say.
back, I got me a Mountain Dew bottle, man. I'm gonna hit you over the head with my Mountain Dew bottle.
Well, you just do it right now, because if you do,
Here you
I'm gonna
go.
whoop
Here you
your
go.
tail.
Hey, I like System of a Down. I do. I wanna bore their children.
Well, you don't understand how much of a country hick I can be when I want to be.
Well, let me tell you something about
Quit pointing the Mountain Dew at me, or I'll kick you in the
I
fellowship.
want to, man. Well, that Mountain Dew is my Mountain Dew bottle. I want to.
Hey, you ain't gonna lick it, and you ain't gonna do it. I'm gonna kick you out of my legend.
Shut up. Just shut up. Everyone, you get out of here right now. Just get out.
Well,
You know, I don't think this is
I
funny.
just love
It
everybody.
ain't funny anymore.
Get out, dog. Get out. Right now.
Hey, man, that's just so sad. All this stuff. Hey, man, I'm down Mountain Dew bottle man head. I got a down Mountain Dew bottle on my head.
Hey. Hey, man. Did you hear that?
Hey, man, my voice started to get funny.
I think it's changing or something.
Man, my voice is starting to change.
Dude, this is some weird stuff, man.
Man, my voice ain't ever gonna change.
Who the dump are you? So what you're saying is there's somebody in the house? What?
My lungs. If I breathe correctly, my lungs will feel a lot of air.
What?
Yes, a lot of air if I breathe with my lungs.
Oh, what are you talking about?
Somebody's been smoking crack.
You don't understand the message. The method is a lot more complicated than you're putting it.
This guy's not right.
You don't understand what I'm talking about. You guys are a bunch of idiots.
Is it like typo? It's gotta be something weird.
Sende bakadega sindakabara sitete sindakamatine. Sikor van der Schanne morgen Zebra der Visiteko.
Forest trees could be on sale this week. What I heard at Kmart.
What?
Oh man, gosh.
I sense something. There is
Man,
somebody in the house.
This guy's a freaking lunatic.
No, listen to me. Listen to me, you crazy idiot.
Did you just
Man, there's not anybody in the house. We've lived here forever.
Dude,
Look at the ball. Look at the ball. Look at the ball. You talk. You talk.
Like
Man,
came
that's a
off-
friend of ours.
it looks like it came off a ceiling fan.
No. Vegetable soup is pretty good when my mom used to make it when I was a little boy.
This guy's nuts, man. There ain't anybody in the house.
But really, what does this all mean?
If you don't want to listen to me, you all end up dead, just like my grandmother. She was 35.
I'm in the house. I'm in the house. I'm in the house. I'm in the house.
Zendegamaca ser. Ser de forma. Land. Landor sympathetic. Wrong. Wrong. Segabadavanzep man.
Shh! Listen to me. If we all work together, I've got a plan. Listen to me.
Okay.
In order to kill this man that's in the house, we have to unite together as a team.
Alright.
Because if we don't unite together as a team, we are not going to kill this idiot. Okay, listen to me.
Okay.
Listen to me.
Yep.
The only way we can kill this, from my master, he says, is if we all French kiss each other.
What?
Did I say that? It's just kidding.
Okay.
Okay.
You're getting on my nerves, man.
No, listen to me. Listen to me. I got it. The only way I think we unite together if we bump heads really hard and we turn him into a harmless animal. That'd be one way to kill him and turn him into a ceramic dog.
Well, that would be cool, but we can't bump heads.
If we unite together in some way, form, or fashion, we can kill this man. I know this. My
Okay,
master
we can
tell
all
me.
just like do something crazy, like I don't know. What'll work? Tell us what will work.
I told you we unite together, hands maybe, and we
Yeah, that would work. And hold our hands.
we
up.
do a
That'll
chant. We
work.
do a chant and we kill this man.
What can we chant, dog?
I don't know, but he's coming. He's in the house because my body is not working anymore.
Oh man,
We
my
must get
grandpa
out.
has a thing.
Ceramic dog, ceramic dog, ceramic dog. Orchestrated. Ceramic dog, ceramic dog, ceramic dog. Orchestrated. Ceramic dog, ceramic dog, ceramic dog. Orchestrated. What's up now, dog? Huh? Yeah.
Knock that floozy out.
Scott, come home, Scott, come home to daddy. I mean, say but they go say their birthday, baba, and they go back, say but they come there, say but the birthday,